Hello, friends, and welcome to GooGoo and GaaGaa's cooking show. Today, we will make a delicious pizza. The ingredients are 1 bag of flour, water, eggs, tomato sauce, and cheese. The toppings are onion, olives, pineapple, tomato, broccoli, and pepperoni. We mix the flour, eggs, and water together in the mixer until we get a nice dough. First, the eggs. 1, 2. Wait, GooGoo. There are still more ingredients. Water, and flour. No, GooGoo, not yet. You look very funny. The dough seems to be ready. Now it's time to flatten it. Hey, GooGoo, with your hands. Aw, hey guys, the dough is supposed to be smooth without any marks. Great job, guys. Now spread the tomato sauce on the dough. Wow, GaaGaa, very beautiful. Now you can put the cheese on the pizza. Great! Now it's time to choose. What toppings do you want on your pizza? We have onion, olives, pepperoni, tomato, broccoli, and pineapple. What would you like? Do you like pineapple, GooGoo? GooGoo doesn't like pineapple. Do you like onions, GooGoo? Yay! Now, GooGoo, you choose what you like. Wait, GooGoo. GaaGaa doesn't like pepperoni. Choose a different topping. Okay, what do we have here? Onion, broccoli, tomato, and olives. Sounds delicious. The last step is to put the pizza in the oven, but be very careful. It's very hot. Now we wait 50 minutes until the pizza is ready. You can set the timer so you won't forget. It's cleanup time! Hey, Gaga, the timer hasn't rung yet. The pizza is not ready. Please be patient. What are you doing? Another pizza? Oh, cookies. That's a good idea. Oh, the pizza is ready. Let's take it out.
I smell something delicious. Yum, yum. Wow, what is this wonderful smell?
Hello, Hug. GooGoo and Gaga have made a delicious pizza.
Can I have a piece?
Yes.
Ooh, yum, yum. This is good. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum.
What do I smell here? What is that smell? Hello, friends. Hello, Harry. It's the pizza Gaga and GooGoo made. Can I taste it, please? Yes, of course. Oh, wow! Thank you! Bye! Wow, your pizza must be really good. Your friends really liked it. But now you must be hungry too. Have a piece. Oh no, there is no pizza left. Everyone ate it all. Don't be sad. I know. Wait a second.
Did somebody order pizza?
I did. A whole pizza just for you guys. Bon appetit.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, pull your ear. If you're happy and you know it, pull your ear. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, pull your ear. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, pull your ear. If you're happy and you know it, raise your hand. If you're happy and you know it, raise your hand. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, raise your hand. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, raise your hand. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, make a smile.
Autumn.
start to feel a chilly breeze, and the leaves drop down gently from the trees. Autumn is the time we put our sweaters on, and we play outside as we sing this song. Rip, rip, rip on the autumn leaves, as they fall from the autumn trees. We spin, 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 'cause it makes us smile. Then we jump, jump, jump into the big leaf pile.
Winter.
It's winter time, farewell to shores. We welcome back our heavy coats. The days get cold, the drinks get warm. Let's cuddle up, enjoy the storm. Because there's nothing quite like winter. During the holidays, happy cheer, watch the falling snow. Ice skates on, let's go, it's our favorite time of year. It's winter time, the sky is gray, and all the leaves are gone today. Umbrellas out, our snowman's done. We cast on puddles, keeping fun. Because there's nothing quite like winter. During the holidays, happy cheer, watch the falling snow. Ice skates on, let's go, it's our favorite time of year. There's nothing quite like winter. During the holidays, happy cheer, watch the falling snow. Ice skates on, let's go, it's our favorite time of year. Rise and shine, bears and trees.
Spring.
Hum your tune, honeybees. Bring on sunshine, we want more. Spring is knocking at our door. Ring, ring, it's spring, say hey, hey. The sun's come out to play. Ring, ring, it's spring, hooray, hooray. We love our springtime day. Sunrise lighting up my room. All the flowers are in bloom. Breathe it in, the smell of spring. Run around the park and sing. Ring, ring, it's spring, say hey, hey. The sun's come out to play. Ring, ring, it's spring, hooray, hooray. We love our springtime day.
Ice cream, ice cream, summer.
Summer is ice cream, summer is the pool. Summer's flip-flop, summer means no
Ice
school.
cream, ice cream.
Summer's here, isn't it great? The sun keeps shining till it's late. Trips to the beach, fun in the park. A clear blue sky that's really dark. Summer is ice cream, summer is the pool. Summer's flip-flop, summer means no school. Summer is ice cream, summer is the pool. It's fun on this summer's day. Hey sunshine, lead the way.
GooGoo. Ooh, a surprise egg. Empty. Where did it come from? Another egg. Blue. A blue surprise egg. What's in the egg? Shh. A frog. Gaga. Surprise eggs. Empty. Where did they come from? Another egg. Green. What's in the egg? Green slime. Gigs. Oh, some surprise eggs. Oh, it's empty. But where did they come from? Oh, another surprise egg. Silver. I'll try to reach it. Up and jump and jump. I can't reach it. I'll go and get something. Yee-haw! Up it goes. Up, pull, pull, pull. There. Come on. Come on, egg. Fall, fall. There. A silver surprise egg. What's that? What's that noise? I just have to open this egg. How does it open? It won't open. Come on, I've got an idea. I'm going to squeeze the egg open. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, so that was the noise. A helicopter. Here we go. I'm flying. I love to fly in a helicopter. Up in the sky. I love to fly. Whee! Harry. Wow, lots of surprise eggs. Let's have a look. They're all empty. But where did they come from? Oh, another surprise egg. A woolen egg. It's too high. I can't reach it. That's it, Hug. Come on, let's go.
no,
Right, I mean left. No, the other left. No, that's the wrong way, Hug. This way. Come on, we're going to the egg. Oh, careful, we're gonna fall. No, let's not fall. Okay, now don't move. I'm just gonna get on top of you. Okay. Yeah, going up. Steady. Stay still, Hug. I can't reach. Okay, I got it. Squeeze. Okay, let's have a look at what's inside.
That's a funny looking egg. I wonder what's inside.
Wait a minute. There's only one egg.
Oh, and we are two.
So who's gonna get the surprise toy?
Well, I want the toy.
Well, I wanted the toy too. I mean, I got it down, so I should have it.
You got it down because you stood on my shoulders, so I should have it.
It's mine.
Oh, it's mine. It's mine.
Stop
I
hugging
want
the
it.
egg.
I want it.
Give it to me.
Oh.
What is it?
It looks like hay. Well, you can have it, Harry.
No, it's okay, Hug. I want you to have it.
Oh, Harry, do you hear that?
What's that noise?
I think they want the hay.
Oh, now we can't get to the eggs. And look, Hug, there's another surprise egg.
Oh, yeah, a golden egg.
I wonder what's inside.
Yeah, and maybe we can share it?
Yeah, we'll share it. But I think we'll have to wait until they finish eating. Up in the sky, I love to fly. Let's open the golden egg.
Oh, a ball.
I got it. I got the ball.
But we said we'd share.
So let's play.
Oh.
I got it.
Nice,
Now
nice
it's your
one.
turn.
Oh,
Yippee.
my turn.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Woo.
Yay. It's fun playing together, isn't it, Harry?
Yeah, it's the best. I'm so glad we got a ball in our surprise egg. What's in the box?
Wow, what is it?
Let's go and have a look. Wait, somebody's coming.
Who is it, Harry?
What's going on here?
Hide, everybody.
Oh, look! A box. Am I allowed to touch it?
What's he going to do?
It's a box of toys. Let's see what's inside. Who wants to play with me?
He'll
He'll
see
see
us.
us.
Oh, there's GooGoo. Do you want to play with me? Look, GooGoo, here's a slide. Come on and fly to the toys. Did you see all the toys I found in that box? Huh? What did you get? What is that, GooGoo? A red racing car. Wow, cool. Give me 5. Yeah.
Ooh, GooGoo's having fun with that
look.
boy.
I want to play too. Yoo-hoo, little boy. Can I play with you, please?
A ball.
Yeah, throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. I got it.
Wow.
Look, I found a green bowling pin.
Let me try and hit it with the ball.
See if you can get the ball in here, Hug.
Whoop.
Yay, well done, Hug. You did it.
Yay, I did it. This is fun. This is
I want
fun.
to play too.
Come on, Harry. You can play with us.
Yay!
Sit here next to me.
Woohoo!
You're a cute bunny.
Can I cuddle you, please?
Yay, cuddles.
I want to cuddle too. Can you cuddle me? Aw, thank you.
This is really fun playing with
This
this
is
boy,
real
isn't
hard.
it, Harry?
Let's see if it's ticklish. Goo 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 goo.
Let me try.
Yes, he is.
He is ticklish.
Hey, everybody. I'm going to look for a game that we can all play with that boy. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Oh, I found something. A game of animal cards. I'm going to give each of you half an animal, and we've got to put the other half together to discover the whole animal. Here you go, GooGoo. Can you help us match the cards together, please?
Okay. Whose card is this? And the other half? I wonder what animal this is. It's a lion.
Yay!
Rawr.
Well done. You completed my card. Thank you. Thank you.
Give me 5.
High five.
Thanks a lot. Ooh, another cuddle.
hug.
Are there any more animals? I wonder what animal this is. A zebra.
Good, GooGoo. Now, who has the other half of the last animal? Who did I give it to? I think it was Peekaboo. Where's Peekaboo? Oh, where did he go?
Hey, he's gone. Where did he
Maybe
go?
he went over here. Peekaboo.
Where did he go?
Peekaboo.
I heard him over there.
I think I saw him. I think I saw him over here. Where is he? Let's look behind. Did I see someone? Peekaboo. Where is he? I'm sure I heard him. Maybe down here? No. Where did he go? Peekaboo.
I don't know where he went. Maybe he went home.
Peekaboo.
I can hear him. There.
Yoo-hoo.
No? There. No.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yoo-hoo.
Peekaboo. I'm going to find you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Where did he go? Where's Peekaboo? I'm sure I heard him. Where is he?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
There he is. Peekaboo. And there's the missing card. Thank you, Peekaboo. Let's put the two halves together.
Let's see what animal it is. Do you know what animal it is, Hug?
No? Let's see what comes out. Ah, look! It's a giraffe, Harry.
Yes, it is.
That's it. We finished all the cards. Bye.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
for helping
playing
us.
with us.
Thank you.
It was fun. Don't mention it. Now it's time to go to sleep. Come on, all my friends. Everyone come and lie down. I'm so tired. It was such a fun day. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.
White tiger. Bye-bye. Oh! Wow! Huh? Gorilla. Bye-bye. Wow. Woo! Lemur. Koala bear. White tiger. Gorilla. Lemur. Koala bear.
D. Donut. D. D.
Drums.
D. Drums. D. D. D.
Oops.
Elephant. Dinosaur.
D. Dinosaur. D.
Wee! You're heavy.
D. Donut. D. Drums. D. Dinosaur. D.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye bye.